Meet the King of Saxony Bird-of-Paradise, a dazzling wonder of Papua New Guinea. Its ribbon-like plumes, twice the length of its body, are used to captivate females during courtship. Males wave their plumes and emit buzzing calls to win over their mates. A true spectacle of nature, this bird thrives in the lush highlands, playing a vital role in seed dispersal and forest health. A true icon of the avian world, the King of Saxony Bird-of-Paradise reminds us of nature's incredible artistry. Like and follow for more wildlife wonders.